These my new whips right here. Look at them boys. Like, one day though, one day.
Real mob ties, real frog eyes, real whole eyes, all time high. Do it for the culture, they gon' fight like vultures. Way back when I was trapping.
Yo, back with another video, y'all. It's your boy Chelly 2 Turn in a brand new SXT. About to give her a wash. Probably gonna take a couple photos. And yeah, that seems about it. She's been doing pretty nice. Probably gonna give a POV of like how I felt about the car, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, I've enjoyed it so far. You know, I do wish that could have had that Hemi in it, but you know, we'll slowly progress to that, and you know, in due time. So this is what we got for now. So we're gonna thug out with this, but yeah, stay tuned. My dumbass came up here for like $3, but the time on this should be so crazy. You know, she looking gorgeous. You know what I'm saying? So I managed to find one more quarter, and then I got asked a random guy for one. So about to pop that thing back up in there. Also, not to mention, I got a MacBook laptop, so that means better content and a lot more stuff to come. So, you know, just stay tuned. We good. So let's turn that on. Let me put it back on. Relax. Cleaned up. My baby is all washed. There are some spots that are like weird, like right here. I don't know if you can tell. It just looks like somebody just went like that, but yeah, it looks alright. Gotta go real quick, but I'll give y'all a POV drive of, you know, how I feel about the car. So stay tuned for more. Also, yup, gotta show y'all this too. Right there. Yup. My dumbass put it on the black part. Should have put it right there, but shit. It's whatever. Stay tuned. Almost dropped the watermelon. Oh shit. This man, this thing kicked though. This thing kicked. I wasn't even in sport too, shit. I'm about to give y'all one right here though. I gotta be careful because 12 is hot. Let me put that spot thing on. Oh, man, yeah, 12 is hot. Man, so it's about to radar me in a minute too. Like, don't do it, Mr. Police. Don't do it. Just got my license and everything. I ain't riding around hot no more. Dang, this man driving slow. See how close I got up to that